Welcome, substitutes, to the Raise Montana Substitute Service. Today we'll be going over how to set up your profile and accept your first job. To log in, you can either head straight to the Child Care Matters website or use our website to go there. Click on the login, which will take you here. You'll need to log in. Once you are here, you'll be able to see your dashboard. Let's go over how to set up a profile. Here, you'll need to make sure that all of your basic information is correct. So your email, your phone number, and your name. Next, we'll head to our employment settings. Here we will see all sorts of employment information. To start with, your hourly wage will be put in the description of the job posting and will be set by the provider. Next, we'll need to set up our bio. This should include your full name, as well as any core professional beliefs or values, list any relevant employment experiences, and any trainings or credentials you may have, as well as any relevant degrees or schooling. Next, we can set up our education level. So depending on what education level you have, any years of experiences, languages spoken, if you have any experience with classroom technology. You can turn on the COVID vaccination if you wish, but it is not a requirement. Next, you will need to put in your first aid and CPR certification expiration date. So for example, mine expires in 2024. You'll then need to put in your registry ID if you'd like, as well as if you'd like to give them permission to view your ECP. Your license and trainings were completed during your orientation, and they will be indicated here. Next, you need to put in your notification distance. So this is your area that you're willing to travel in. So depending on the distance you're willing to travel, etc. Here you will be able to see your bubble about where you're willing to travel to. If you have a change in availability and are unable to accept job postings, you can indicate that here. And then click Update. Moving forward, we can see our notification preferences. You can indicate whether you'd like emails or text notifications or both. Now that we have finished setting up our profile, we can now accept our first job. So if we head to the jobs, we can see our assigned jobs, any jobs that you have accepted, any open jobs available to us, as well as any closed jobs we have already taken. Now we can click on our first. Now we can accept our first job. If we click on the posting, we can see all the relevant information. Again, this is not our hourly wage. The hourly wage is posted by the provider, so it'll be down here in the description. You will also see any relevant information about the job in the details. So support for the lead teacher, any responsibilities you will have, as well as any special requests they may have for you. You can also see the distance away from us the facility is. So this one is 16.5 miles away from us. Some jobs may give you the option to do partial days, and some may not. Some may also allow you to auto-accept, and some may require you to apply, and then you will receive an email if you are accepted for this job. So we can click Apply for this job. You'll see a notification. Now that we've applied for the job, we must wait for the provider to review our application and accept it. Now that the provider has accepted your application, it will appear on your dashboard. Once it is time for your shift and you have arrived at the facility, you will see your time clock available to you. Here you will need to clock in. Now that you've clocked in, you'll be able to see your time in and your time out. You can clock out if you go to take a break, and then clock back in if need be. And when you're done with your shift, you can hit clock out again and mark shift as complete. You'll see a pop-up notification and confirm that you do want to close the shift. Now the job has been closed, it'll appear in your closed shift file. Here you'll be able to again go back in and see any information about it, as well as view your timesheet. If you have any questions or concerns, please click the support button. Here you will fill out a subject and message, and it will be sent to our substitute specialist, who will get in contact with you to help find solutions. Thank you for joining us today to learn how to use Child Care Matters and accept your first job. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to our substitute specialist. Thank you.